We prioritize being a change partner and see it as our responsibility to address the issues faced by small batches in the industry. Our self-developed systems such as LCR incoming material inspection, SMT first article inspection, and mass systems, along with intelligent material and steel-grade frames, have enabled us to successfully produce high-performance industrial hubs, including tax hubs, for our customers. We have established a multi-channel supply chain system that includes a regional factory agent plan for docking, a strict supplier certification and management system, and several quality system certifications. Our products meet the latest environmental protection directives of the European Union. We have also set up line automatic pricing, order placement, payment, and production process systems that enable real-time data synchronization of the entire logistics process